हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम। स्टैंडर्ड 12th चैप्टर नंबर 11 थ्री डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री। लास्ट पीरियड हमने देखा था कि डायरेक्शन कोसाइन और डायरेक्शन रेशियो क्या होते हैं और दोनों के बीच का रिलेशन क्या है। डायरेक्शन रेशियो, इफ एनी वेक्टर राइट कैन बी ए बार इज इक्वल टू ए आई प्लस बी जे प्लस सी के, देन ए बी सी आर डायरेक्शन रेशियो and L and N are direction cosine. Today we are learn that equation of line. Equation of line in space, there are two conditions. It passes through a given point and has given direction, or it passes two given point. So we have two equation of line or two condition. It may be any one of it. That first is what passes through a point and having a direction, that is having a parallel vector. And if this is not taken, then what, it passes any 2 point, then we can make equation of line also. Equation of line, we can do it easily. That so first condition is what, equation of line passes through a point and having parallel vector. Let this is our line. This is a parallel vector b bar. This is our fixed point, that is R, and this is A. Then AR is parallel to B. We can write here what, this is A suppose and this is R suppose. Then AR is parallel to B. Then as we know that AR is parallel, AR bar is parallel to B bar. Then two vectors are parallel, then what, one vector is written as scalar multiple of other. This is the condition you can learn in a previous period. Then as R bar is equals to suppose xi plus yj plus zk, and A bar is a point that x1i plus y1j plus z1k. This is an x1, y1, z1, and this is what, x, y, z. And B is what, ai plus bj plus ck. This is a proper vector. Then this condition, that AR bar is equal to what, AR bar minus A bar is equals to lambda of B bar. This is R bar is equals to, A bar is shifting on that side, that is what, A bar plus lambda B bar. This is an equation of line in a vector form. This is a vector form. Now if we put as a Cartesian, then R bar is equals to what, xi plus yj plus zk. What is A bar? A bar is x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus lambda of B bar is what, ai plus bj plus ck. We can shifting here, that what, xi minus x1i, that is simply x minus x1 of I can write directly. Same y1 we can shift here, that is minus of y1, yj minus y1j, that is y minus y1 of j, plus zk, and plus here plus z1k you can shift here, that is minus z1k. I can write here what, z minus z1k is equal to lambda of ai plus lambda of bj plus lambda of ck. Now comparing, then what, x minus x1 is equals to lambda a, y minus y1 is equals to what, lambda b, and z minus z1 is equals to what, lambda c. Then we can write here what, x minus x1 is equals to what, this a is it divide of a, y minus y1 is equals to upon b is equals to lambda, and z minus z1 upon c is equals to lambda. So x minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c. Is equals to lambda. So this is an Cartesian form, that is called as what? Cartesian form. Of a line when passing through the one point and having a parallel vector. We can directly write as passing through the point, that is x1, y1, z1, and directly write the proper vector, that is ABC. ABC are the direction ratios of that proper vector. Same as equation number 2, that condition number 2 is what? Equation of line passes through two given point. Let A and B is the 2 point and R is the fixed point. Then what? A, that x1, y1, z1, R is x, y, z, and B is x2, y2, z2. Then as we know that AR and AB are collinear. AR and AB are collinear. Means two vectors are collinear means what? AR bar is equals to lambda times of AB bar. One vector is scalar multiple of other if the vectors are collinear. पता है हमें. We can write here what? R bar minus A bar is equal to what? Lambda times B bar minus A bar. We can just subtracting, expanding. Then R bar is equals to what? A bar plus lambda time B bar minus A bar. This is vector form of equation, vector form of a line. Now, as we know, R bar is equals to what? Xi plus Yj plus Zk. Then minus of A bar, that is A bar is what? x1i plus y1j plus z1k is equals to lambda times B bar. What is B bar? x2i plus y2j plus z2k minus A bar is x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Then subtracting, that's simply x minus x1 of I plus y minus y1 of j plus z minus z1 of k is equals to lambda times, it is again x2 minus x1 of I, then plus y2 minus y1 of j plus z2 minus z1 of k. Then here multiply by each term of lambda, then it is and equating, that is simply x minus x1 is equals to lambda times x2 minus x1. Then y minus y1 is equals to lambda times y2 minus y1. And next z minus z1 is equals to what? Lambda times z2 minus z1. Simply you can here x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equals to lambda. Then again here that y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 of lambda. And now z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1 of lambda. Then x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, because all are equal to lambda, so it is all are equal. Y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equals to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1, and this is Cartesian form of a line which can passes through the two given point. Then this is then two equation of line. That first is what? Equation of line which have one point and having parallel vector, that is what? R bar is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar, and it is what? Cartesian form x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, z minus z1 upon C. Same as equation of line passes through two given point is what? Two given point is R bar is equals to A bar plus lambda times B bar minus A bar, and Cartesian form is what? X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. So this is an Cartesian form and vector form of a line. Next is angle between two lines. So as we know, the lines equation are r bar is equals to lambda times of r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda time of b bar, or in a vector form, or second form is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda time of b bar minus a bar. So we are taking an angle between a parallel vector, not a line. Then if two lines are here, then we don't take it angle between the two line. We are taking what? This is parallel vector of this line and this is the parallel vector of this line. So we can take it this angle because this parallel vector having the direction ratio. So we can take it this angle using this direction ratio, and direction ratio is what? Having the proper vector. Then cos of theta, you are very well known in last chapter, cos of theta is equal to what? Angle between the two vector is that, suppose this is b1 and this is b2, then b1 dot b2 upon magnitude of b1 magnitude of b2. So it can be written as simple way that a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square and a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is the same formula in a dot product, cos of theta. Finding the theta between the two vector or two lines, it is simple way that cos theta is equals to simply a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon under root of or magnitude of first vector, that is a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square and a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is a very simple way to find it. Now the next topic is that shortest distance between the two lines. Then next topic is what? Shortest distance between two lines. Then let two lines are passing in a plane space. Then distance between the two lines is what? It may be have, suppose this is line is passing and this is again a second line is pass. Then that the shortest distance, this shortest distance is what? That r bar is equal to, suppose line vector r bar is equal to what? A bar plus lambda of b bar, a1 and b1 suppose. This vector is what? r2 bar is equal to what? a2 bar plus lambda of b2 bar. Then their distance is equal to, distance formula is what? Magnitude of model of b1 cross b2. We can take cross product of their parallel vector dot a2 minus a1, dot product taking subtraction of what? Their points a2 minus a1 upon that magnitude of b1 cross b2. This is the shortest distance formula between any two lines, that equals to what? Magnitude of or modulus of b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1. Then cross and dot product is same combined is equal as scalar triple product, because the answer is scalar. But here is cross product also and dot product also. So taking a cross product is what? With a parallel vector, and dot product having the subtraction of 2 points and then magnitude of b1 cross b2. This is the formula of shortest distance. Now distance between two parallel lines is what? If first line and second line are parallel, then the distance is what? Here there is no two parallel vector, is one parallel vector is common for other both. If L1 and L2 and B is the parallel vector for L1 also and L2 also. So the distance formula is same, but just B1 cross B2 it will be changed as only B cross A2 minus A1 upon magnitude of B1. This is a very simple format. This is the very simple form, a simple formula of distance between the two parallel lines. So today we learn the equation of line in a two type. That is what? First is passing through the point and having parallel vector. Then second is what? Passing through the two given points. Then we just learn that angle between the two lines. Next, we learn that shortest distance between the two lines, that is the formula d bar equals to what? D distance is equal to magnitude of b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 upon b1 cross b2 magnitude, and then distance between the two parallel lines. Hope so you are all understood that today's basic knowledge of lines. Next lecture we can take in or we can solve exercise 11.2 depend on these formulas. You learn, you can do all these topics, also read all these equations. We will meet in the next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.